Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to take you through how I created surface material thickness on this no two-way sneaker. To begin, let's check out our lighting. If we go to workspace and grab our flashlight, we can check out how each of these materials seem to have a thickness. I achieved that with the sub-D crease. So if I go into edit my material, you can see I have a crease here. This crease cuts into this other surface, which gives the appearance of thickness. Even though the surface has no thickness itself, because of the change of direction that the crease provides, we're able to have a simulated thickness that you can see is populated throughout the entire sneaker. You can get to the crease tool by selecting, pressing your blue edit button, and then pressing the black button in your drawing hand. Here you can crease. If the line is black, it means there's no crease, and you can see it's rounded. Versus blue, you'll get a crisp shadow. You can use the trigger to select where to put the crease. Grab, and then use the trigger. Thanks for checking our video out, and if you like tutorials like these, make sure to like and subscribe.